Your attorney will tell you, I don't think I have ever, or he's ever run into somebody who's charged with intoxication manslaughter who said, you know what? My plan today is to get intoxicated, drive and kill somebody. That's never usually the case. Usually it's you get intoxicated, you don't realize you're intoxicated, and you drive and you kill somebody, and then you're crying, and then you're looking at major prison time. So you're one of those people who cannot drink at all because you don't know when to stop, and you cannot stop. You understand?
How you doing, Your Honor?
Well, okay, how's it going?
Good, good.
Yeah. Happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you. I had the best father. My daughter had a baby 27 days ago, our third grandchild, so I got to spend the afternoon with that kid.
Oh, that is awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I called my mom and wished her a happy Father's Day. I'm like, you feel both rows, so
Yeah,
happy Father's
that's
Day.
right.
And to all the fathers who are actually doing,
Yeah.
fulfilling their obligation.
Yeah, well, my daughter got a good guy. He's a good dad.
Oh, that is awesome.
Yeah, yeah,
Well, if he's not, let us know.
yeah, yeah. We'll sick him on you, or you on him. Yeah.
All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 004915 State versus Abigail Barraza. Can I have parties announced?
Dwight Chumley for Miss Barraza.
And are you Miss Barraza?
Yes.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Barraza, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your? Oh, sorry, just 1 second. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Counsel, I'm sorry, not sign the indictment, but you reviewed it. Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? All right, Ms. Barraza, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with driving while intoxicated with a child younger than 15 years of age. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in a state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so, yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Barraza, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years, 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, top evaluation, 200 hours community service restitution, DWI intervention, VIP panel. VIP. Condition of no driving, Scram device for half the term, parenting classes, 2-year driver's license suspension. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state? The court does not have to follow those recommendations. Now, with regards to the 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, any objections to her serving that on GPS? All right. And then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty. State any evidence?
Sheet of receipts, exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor, my client is sole parent of 4 children. She feels horrible about this. I've had her mother's here today with her and they're discussing her care for her substance use and she's all in whatever you would like her to do. She's willing to do, Your Honor. She loves those kids a lot and I don't know, addiction's a tough thing to come to grips with, and I think she's learned her lesson and is willing to get help and do whatever is necessary. Also, Your Honor, she maintains a separate residence from her mother, and her mother's car has an interlock device on it, but the mother needs to sell the car, and she's not using it. doesn't have access to it because they don't live together anymore. So I was just, if we could just do like I mean, she's gonna be on a Scram device. I don't know how that works in involving, try her driving a car, but if there's any other way we can do it so that her mother can sell the vehicle.
Are you employed?
No, not gonna.
So who do you live with?
Myself, my kids, or my mom.
All right, so how do you support yourself financially if you're,
I just,
all right, and how old are you?
27.
All right, so you've got to start supporting yourself and supporting your children. You understand? And how far did you go in school?
In school?
How far did you go in school?
I went to college. I have a dental assistant.
Mhm.
Certificate, basically.
So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
I want to go back into, since I already missed my, for dental assisting, I already missed it. I need to go back and take a test again, so I can go back and to do that.
All right, so when are you going to do that?
This year.
All right, because people have plans to do things and then you look up and 10 years have passed and you still haven't done anything. Okay? So how often do you drink?
I was drinking before, but since the accident, I stopped.
All right. And how did you stop? Are you in any type of program or you just said, hey,
No, I was, yes.
what program?
While I was on probation, I was doing I was taking the weekly UAs, and then I was doing also some of the classes I had started.
All right, so you were on probation where?
Here, carrying on a misdemeanor DWI.
Ah, so now I understand why people are asking for what they're asking for. This is what you have to realize, and I know you're probably remorseful about all of this, but so much could have happened while you were passed out. One, somebody could have came along and taken your children, and you wake up, your children are all gone. Two, you could have been driving, you could have hit somebody and killed somebody, or either kill your children. Your attorney will tell you, I don't think I have ever, or he's ever run into somebody who's charged with intoxication manslaughter who said, you know what, my plan today is to get intoxicated, drive and kill somebody. That's never usually the case. Usually it's you get intoxicated, you don't realize you're intoxicated, and you drive and you kill somebody, and then you're crying, and then you're looking at major prison time. So you're one of those people who cannot drink at all because you don't know when to stop, and you cannot stop. You understand? All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is finding you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, make sure she's tested for ethanol, and we'll do a referral to felony drug court.
Okay, Your Honor.
There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. 100 hours will be deemed satisfied if you obtain your certification for dental hygienist or whatever you want to do, okay? So you can either get your certification or you can do that 100 hours. The remaining hours will be deducted 1 hour for every sober support meeting that is completed. So here's your choice. You can do 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, which would start today, or either you can do 10 days full GPS. That means 10 days full GPS. That means you can't leave your house. You're just at home for 10 days. Or if you're employed, or if you need to go to the grocery store or do something of that nature, I will give you 20 days partial GPS, and you'll have a window of when you can take care of any type of personal needs.
That's fine.
So which,
Yeah, 20.
all right, so there's going to be 20 days partial GPS. Pick a day, pick a time.
Yeah, to get it hooked up, you need.
No. I mean, what day? It's going to be partial. So what day will she need to run her errands? She'll get 1 day.
Oh, 1 day, okay, during the week, Yeah.
I think it's on Tuesday.
okay.
All right, so Tuesday, she's allowed to be out of her home from what time?
In the morning, so by 7:30.
All right, 7:30 a.m. to, let's be reasonable.
Yeah, like 4 in the afternoon.
Okay.
All right, 7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. on Tuesdays. Waive GPS fees. DWI intervention. VIP live. There's to be no driving. Removal of ignition interlock. Scram device in exchange for the ignition interlock. And that's to be half the term. And there's to be an affidavit of non-driving as well. There's to be a TAP evaluation out of custody. So felony drug court will probably accept you if you're honest with them. If you're not honest with them, they're not going to accept you. And what will end up happening, a TAP evaluation will take place, and whatever the recommendation of TAP, that's the recommendation that's going to be followed.
Yes.
Parenting classes and 2-year license suspension. Probation. With regards to the parenting classes, let's do this. So she'll have 50 hours deducted if she obtains the certification from community service restitution, and then another 50 hours deducted upon completion of parenting classes, and then the remaining 100 hours, 1 hour for each sober support meeting completed. And there'll be field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? Thank you. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home healthcare provider with minors. Probation, make that 60 days since she's going to be on the GPS. So proof of employment within 60 days. Is there anything else, probation? Anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, so here's the thing. You probably have your group of friends, right? If you are out and you're trying to tell your friends you're trying to maintain your sobriety, and they're not helping you with that, maybe they're drinking in front of you. You may have to tell them, hey, at this point in my sobriety journey, I can't be around people who are drinking. If they still want to drink, then they're not your friends. You understand?
Yes.
If there's something you need, be sure and let probation know about it, okay?
Okay.
And get a sponsor.
Yes, with AA.
All right, good luck to you.
All right.